Here's how to check if your PS5 is digital or disc version. So as you can see, digital version has a black box and the disc version has a white box. So that is the most common differences between them. Now, the major differences between them is the bulge. As you can see, the disc version has a disc line at the right side of the PS5 device, which looks like a bulge, and the digital version is slick and curvy. Now, this is what it looks like to have a disc PS5. So, as you can see, it is more bulky, it is more big, because the other part is much more extended for the disc. Now, this is what it looks like to have a digital PS5. As you can see, it is very slim because there is no a disc option on the side. So that is how to tell if you have a digital or disc PS5.